This might be the most exciting thing I get to test all year. It's a piece of metal with holes in it. So, metal board, we can throw some magnets on. It does come with some pretty cute looking magnets here, and they are quite strong. Basically what I'm going to do here is in the barn, I'm going to set up a job board, and I ordered this in white instead of black or whatever other color, because you could also use it like a whiteboard and write on this with dry erase markers. So we'll just set it up and see what that looks like. They do give you drywall anchors, and I just lost all my magnets, drywall anchors and screws, and these little offsets to cover up the screws. So we'll go try it out. We'll go set it up on one of the walls here so we have our job board in the barn. Yeah, so this will work perfect inside the barn. You know, if I throw some measurements together that I need to have by me, if I'm working on the stinking miter saw, or if I'm welding something up, I need to keep my measurements where I can see them. Boom, right there. We can dry erase on here. Well, if I had a dry erase marker that wasn't out of ink already, I need to get a new marker. Anyway, leave myself notes, dry erase once I get myself a new marker. Just a perfect little job board for using in the barn while I'm doing jobs. Close at hand, especially for welding stuff, and keep all my measurements and diagrams up there, close at hand. And yeah, seems pretty decent, pretty flexible, easy to install. Nice having these little tabs over the screws so the screws aren't exposed. And this is a kind of moist area. There is water and stuff, you know, splashing around out here. Won't hurt a bit having that out here.